If you're trying to get out of big picture mode in Steam, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to exit big picture mode in Steam in just a few seconds. This is super helpful if Steam has opened in a full screen couch style layout and you want to get back to the normal desktop view. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is press the escape key on your keyboard. On many systems, this brings up the Steam menu or the main navigation options while you're in big picture mode. Once that menu appears, look for the power option. The power menu is where Steam keeps the exit and shutdown related options. Click power to open it. Now, in the power section, look for big picture mode and click it. This option toggles the interface and selecting it will take you out of the big picture layout and return Steam to its normal mode. If it doesn't switch immediately, give it a second to load and Steam should go back to the standard desktop interface. And that's it. You've successfully exited big picture mode in Steam. As you can see, it only takes a couple of clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Steam tips and tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.